segment, I'm going to talk about earthquakes. I'm going to talk about horizontal and vertical shock waves of the earthquakes. This segment is numbered 5 in the series of talks on planet Earth. Earthquakes are three-dimensional events. The waves move outwards from the focus, but can travel in both the horizontal and vertical planes. This produces 3 different types of waves which have their own distinct characteristics and can only move through certain layers within the Earth. The types of shock waves, number 1 is P waves or primary waves. So primary waves or P waves are identical in character to sound waves. They are high frequency, short wavelength, longitudinal waves which can pass through both solids and liquids. The ground is forced to move forwards and backwards as it is compressed and decompressed. This produces relatively small displacements of the ground. Primary waves can be reflected and refracted, and under certain circumstances can change into S waves. Tectonic forces shift bodies of rock inside the Earth, perhaps displacing a mountain range several feet in a few seconds, and they generate tremendous vibrations called seismic waves. The earthquake's focus, also called the hypocenter, is the point, usually deep in the subsurface, where the sudden sliding of one rock mass along a fault releases the stored potential energy of the fault zone. The first shock wave emerges at the surface at a point typically directly above the focus. This surface point is called the epicenter. Seismometers detect seismic waves that reach the surface. Seismographs, the devices that record seismic phenomena, record the times of arrival for each group of vibrations on a seismogram. That is either a paper document or digital data. Like surfaces in an echoing room that reflect or absorb sound, the boundaries of rock types within the Earth change or block the direction of movement of seismic waves. Waves moving out from the earthquake's focus in an ever-expanding sphere become distorted, bent, and reflected. Seismologists, the people known as geologists who study seismic phenomena, they analyze the distorted patterns made by seismic waves and search through the data for clues about the Earth's internal structure. I got a video animation for you. Right now I'm going to play.
Earthquakes cause horizontal and vertical shock waves. The initial primary waves strain the rock they penetrate.